To explore full Yoruba stories, IFA teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Lafíakú, the spirit of Olófin, prayer. Erin Lafíakú, ay sero legen. Laba obo, erolovuoko, ay sero tiosehi. Erin abikunlo, yeku, Olófin erin perebi, ahanaku tinelu Ìkàrà, awanimowa erin okemofoyu. Labuta bi olovu, kudu akogba, ke erisofobu, labata bi oluwo kudu, akogba ka erin toku, ajanaku koto sile ade erin lari. Erin kolarun adifafun erin ko laye kote nikolohomo. Elohan gboro afi rikunlo, foko lodafun Òrúnmìlà. Suyere chant, kudu akogba eke, laye kote niko, batakin story. On this path, Lafíakú was the spirit of Olófin in the forest, and Ro was the armed arm of Òrúnmìlà, with his great trunk. He was respected by everyone in the forest because of the indestructible power of his terrifying tusks and the force of his mighty feet that opened trails through the wilderness. He made his presence known by the violent sound of his trumpet. He was born with Ipo, red palm oil, and gained his power in Ìkàrà, but he rebelled against all, even rising against Olófin, seeking to destroy the house of Òrúnmìlà. Òrúnmìlà consulted Ifa, he made Osode, and Ògbè Káńá appeared, which warned him to perform Ibo, the one above, and to place it at the entrance of his house. When Lafíakú arrived, he grabbed the Ibo, and because it had pins inside, when he swallowed it, he died. Lajomo and Laye, who were the two Edimol, divine executioners of Olófin, cut off his head, giving his tail to Òrúnmìlà to make the Ukre, and his tusks to make the Irafa. From his forehead they extracted the Ataponfa, the sacred tapper, and from his cranial cavity they told Òrúnmìlà that it was the Ikuku Oru Du, the sacred nighttime cauldron of Odu, where, for the first time, the secrets of Odu were consecrated to be received in symbolic form by human beings, the sons of Òrúnmìlà, that is, the Babalawos.